Hi, estate planning attorney Brian Barboza, and today I'm going to discuss at what point should your estate plan include a trust. Before we get started, if estate planning is something that you want to talk more about or you want to explore your options, please feel free to give me a call or go to my website, barbozalaw.com, book an appointment to speak with me for free directly through the website. Okay, so at what point should your estate plan include a trust? So an estate plan, as many people understand, is a kind of a compilation of documents that creates your plan for kind of before you die, during a time in your life where you might be incompetent or incapacitated, who's going to help manage your financial affairs. So there's documents, power of attorneys, things of that nature, advanced healthcare directives that help with that part of your lifetime. And then of course the estate plan has documents that will also govern how your property is to be distributed to your heirs and beneficiaries after you pass away. And so in order to accomplish those goals, you will create an estate plan that has things like a power of attorney or advanced healthcare directive. And of course, a will be in pretty much every estate plan, or should be. But at what point should your estate plan also include a trust? And I'm really focused in on what's called a living revocable trust, okay, or a revocable trust. And I'm an attorney in California, and so every state does have kind of different rules that apply when it comes to the threshold or dollar amount of your estate that once you exceed a certain amount of money, your estate would have to pass through a probate. And so of course you use the trust document, the trust instrument to avoid probate. And also it's a way to have all your assets held into kind of this trust, where if you were incompetent or incapacitated, you would have a designated successor trustee to help manage the assets in your trust while you're alive, but at a time when you'd not be able to do that cognitively yourself. So at what point does it make sense to have your estate plan include a trust? And in California, if your estate is worth more than $180,000 and you were to pass away, your estate would be going through probate. Now, there are some assets that are kind of outside of that calculus, like maybe a 401k or something. But in large, in California, your estate's over $180,000, it's going to go through a probate. So the first thing is, if your estate includes any kind of real estate, a land, a home, a building of any type, at that point, your estate plan really should include a living revocable trust, okay? So, especially in California, it's very hard to find real estate that's less than $180,000. And generally speaking, real estate, even if it wasn't worth $180,000, would end up having to go through some type of probate process. So, if you own any kind of real estate at all, your estate plan should have a trust in it. Now, oftentimes people will create an estate plan before they own any real estate, and if that's the case, your estate's worth less than $180,000, you don't own any real estate, then perhaps you create your estate plan with just a will and the other documents like the power of attorney, advanced healthcare directive, and there wouldn't really be a need for a trust. But if you acquired that property, let's say sometime thereafter, you would want to revisit your estate plan, contact your estate planning attorney, and have them create a trust for you so that property could then be put into that trust. So that's kind of it in regards to when you want to incorporate the trust instrument into your estate plan. When your estate's worth $180,000 or more in California, or if you own any kind of real estate at all, you would want to make sure that your that your estate plan included a trust. Okay, that's it. I hope that was helpful. Hope that answered some of your questions. If estate planning is something you want to talk more about, please feel free to give me a call or go to my website, barbozalaw.com, book an appointment to speak with me for free directly through the website. As always, thanks for watching this video. I do hope it was helpful, and have a good rest of your day. Take care. Bye.